Hi, this is Kristen and
Isaac.
from the River Center, and today we are going to make some
slime.
So all you need for this
big bubble balloon
is about a half cup of glue and then about an eighth of a cup of laundry detergent. So Isaac is working on the glue. I'm going to pour the laundry detergent.
in.
Yeah, I'm going to pour it. And then put it into a mixing bowl. Do you want to dump that out? You can dump it in, right into the bowl.
Can you dump it in?
Yeah, dump it all in. Here, why don't you start mixing while I get the rest of the glue out of there. Add a little bit of borax, so I'm going to try to do that and see if it helps at all. Other side of the box. All right, let's mix it. See what happens. Oh, look, it's kind of turning into slime.
Yeah, it's kind of turning into slime. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Do you like put glue on yourself?
Oh boy. All right, let's see. I'm gonna use my hands and.
Look, can I do it? Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Relax. What is it?
So this probably isn't the best slime recipe, but the moral of today's little craft activity is that even if it's not working out, you can just experiment and kind of figure out what happens, right? Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, good. All right. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. We'll see you later. Hope you have better luck with your slime.
How slime? It's like goo because the water detergent. It's like boom, yucky spider in your hand.